beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a huge empties. Like, I have a full Huda Beauty canvas bag full of things that I've used up, and I'm going to let you know whether they're worth the purchase, whether I would buy them again. Let's just get straight into it. If you're wondering anything at all about the makeup that I've got on today, it's actually my tutorial that I did using the Vacation P. Louise palette, so I'll leave it linked down below if you're wondering anything at all about what's on my face, lashes, eyes, lip combo, all that good stuff. I'll leave that video linked down below for you. If you are new here, by the way, hello, welcome. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really does help out my channel. And don't forget to turn that notification bell on as well because I'm uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, and most of the time I do some bonus videos as well, so it'll help in case you do miss any videos. So let's just get straight into, oh my god, all the things that I've used up recently. So first up, an absolute staple, it's always in my empties, is the Garnier Micellar Water. This is just the 700ml one. Absolutely huge, absolutely love it. My favourite micellar water, and would continue to buy again, would really recommend. Next up is one that I personally wouldn't recommend, if I'm honest. This is the Feather and Down Melting Shower Cream, and this is just what it looks like. I think it's really nice, and I think the concept of it is nice, especially if you do want to kind of get into that routine of a bedtime routine and get into sleep and all that kind of good stuff. Then I would recommend it if you are struggling, you want to kind of have a nice little routine before bedtime to help to kind of cool down and relax. However, it just wasn't for me. It just wasn't for me. Next up is another absolute staple. I'm actually about to use up another one as well of the tropical scent, but this is the Batiste Dry Shampoo. My absolute favourite, whether I've got darker hair, whether I'm more blonde, I get the blonder one. It's just perfect. I always get the big massive bottles because you literally can't go wrong with dry shampoo. It saves you having to wash your hair. Would highly recommend. I haven't really found one that is better than Batiste, but yeah, you can get it in home bargains and stuff for a little bit cheaper than what they sell it in Boots. We also have another Batiste, is a little sample one, like a little 50ml one. This is just the Clean and Classic original one. I think I'll have used this up quite quickly, to be fair. So I do put quite a lot on my hair. A big tip that I would recommend when you're using dry shampoo is to put it on the night before. Don't rub it in, just kind of let it soak in the hair, and it'll really kind of soak the oils up, and then the next morning rub it in and kind of brush your hair through to brush out any excess, and that's kind of the best way to use it. But it's my favourite. I've got a couple of bubble tea shower gels. I'm just about to use up another one as well, but I'll leave that for the next empty. So we have the Pina Colada one and Strawberries and Cream. They very kindly gifted this to me, and I also have a full video of like bubble tea haul and everything, so I'll leave that link down below. I think, what was the one that we didn't, there was one that we didn't particularly like. It was like a different texture to the other one. I think it might have been the Pina Colada, or was it Strawberries and Cream? Oh, it was the Pina Colada one because it was more of like a clear gel texture to it. It was weird, so it felt like it just kind of, it's going to sound so daft, but it just kind of slopped off your hand very easily, so you found that you dropped it a lot. Could just be me and Blake being doyles, but yeah. really like the scent, but I really like the Strawberry and Creams one the most. I've actually put this into my empties because I think it's gone off. I've had this for absolute years, so I probably should have binned it ages ago, but I thought actually, there's one time that I put it on and it was dead bitty, and I was like, yeah, that's probably about the time that I binned that. So this is the Pixi Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. Would highly recommend. I've got a big massive tub behind me, you can see it there. So yeah, would highly recommend. Really good as a chemical exfoliator. Actually, do you know what? It's actually got a date on it. Does my other one have a date on it? Okay, this one doesn't have a date on it, but this one does. I got this one from Topshop when I went to London for like the first time ever, absolutely years and years and years ago. That date can't be right. That date can't be right because it says the 14th to the 11th, 03. And in 03, I was in year 3 at primary school. I don't know what that date means, but it's definitely not an expiry date because I was in primary school when it's saying it should have been expired by. I don't know, but it looks icky. If it's gone bitty, it needs binning. And obviously I'm using the big full size one now anyway. We have a little body spray. I think we only actually have one body spray, to be fair. Yeah, so we have just the B&B Sanctuary Spa Chili Mango and Tonka Bean Body Mist, a little 50ml one. Really like this. I've actually got, I wonder if I can grab it. I've got another one on the go. This is the Cloudberry and, is it lychee? I don't know. Blossom, again, a little 50ml one. Would really recommend the Being by Sanctuary Spa stuff. I really, really like it. The scents are really nice as well. We have 2 candles, one that burnt absolutely horrendously. Look at that, that is appalling. And another one that burnt really, really well. So I'm getting better with my candles, or maybe this is just a better candle, who knows. This is the Bronnley Exotic Embers candle, was the one that burnt really well. And then the other one that didn't burn as well, which you would expect this one to burn really well because it's more expensive. And this is from the Party Light range. This is Thanks a Million. So yeah, you would think, actually, was this a Party Light one? No, I'm lying, it's from Next. But you would expect it to do really well considering it's Next and it won't have been cheap. But yeah, it burnt really funny, and I made sure that it burned all the way to the edge as much as possible in my first burn. But yeah, it just wouldn't burn on one side. I don't know why. Candles absolutely baffle me. I just never seem to get them to burn right. We have one from Sub and Glory. It's kind of like always going to be a Sub and Glory product in here when it comes to empties because I'm just always using their stuff. This is the Scrub of Your Life, kind of a moisturising foam formula. Just a little mini one that I've used up. I've used up the Clinique Take the Day Off makeup remover, just a little liquid one. I really want to try the balm one, but I'm waiting until I've used up what I'm using at the moment. I've got some eye mist from Boots, a bit of a random one. I've actually rebought it, but in drops this time to see what the drops are like. But this is really good just to kind of, oh my god, just dropped it, to spray when you've got your eyes closed, and it helps to kind of see, moisturise them, lube them up. And then we have the Touch and Salt Pretty Filter Waterfall Glow Cream, just a little primer. Found that was alright, nothing special to be fair. And then last but certainly not least, we have another one of the LQ Collagen Skin, Hair and Nails. This is the new packaging. I think when I did it, my empties last time, I had the old packaging, but this is the new one, which I much prefer. I think it looks a lot nicer. And this is just what the little ones look like. I kept one to show you. And it's in, if I remember right, it's like a passion fruity flavour. But I had this absolutely ages ago. I've been kind of building these empties up for a couple of months now. So yeah, it basically helps to improve the quality of your hair, of your skin, your nails, all that kind of good stuff as well. So I've used stuff, and that was kind of gifted to me many moons ago. So yeah, I've used that up as well. So that was literally all of my empties. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything that you would recommend me trying, or anything that you've used up recently that you would recommend trying, please leave a comment down below because it helps me to find some new things as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hopefully see you in a next video, and thank you so much for my patrons. It's been absolutely lovely as always. If you want to join my little exclusive community, it's like a Facebook group, and we also have an exclusive group chat. We have exclusive giveaways. It starts as little as £1 a month, and I hopefully will see you there. If not, hopefully I'll see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.